I'm Saba, a local artist based here in Dewsbury. You can see the pink structure behind me. This is the Dewsbury Urban Garden installation that is done in collaboration with Kirklees Council. As an artist practitioner for the last 20 years or so, a lot of it's to do with nature, science and philosophy, and they're the things that really inspire me. This installation is particularly inspired by the Wildflower Garden at local Cronest Park. Like all green spaces and gardens in particularly, if you allow yourself time to look and reflect on the shapes, patterns, forms, the symmetry, it's very inspiring, and patterns generally feature heavily in my work, and the vibrancy of colour, form are important elements in creating this particular installation. Also, this has an element of soundscape. I've worked closely with Manasamitra in helping me create a soundscape that reflects a wildflower garden. It's primarily to allow the members of the public to experience this installation with an audible sound, to engage with it on a deeper level, and just to allow pause, reflection and a different experience. Yeah, what's interesting is, like, for an urban setting, to have something very abstract, very bold, very pink, is quite engaging, because it gets people curious and question, what is this doing in my town centre? And I think that can be very engaging, because it allows people to inquire and maybe take pause and look. And we do have interpretation boards that are explaining, and there are benches around, and it's lovely for people to sit and experience it. Also, with the element of audible soundscape of a floral garden, a summer floral garden.